Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Chromie Time is available. Install the add-on or verify the game's built-in Chromie interface is enabled. Once done, find Chromie in a capital city or type /Chromie to open the selector. Choose the character you want to set, and remember Chromie locks XP scaling to a specific expansion, so confirm the target expansion before proceeding. This initial step gets you into the selection UI quickly, so you can apply the timeline and continue without extra setup. Now you pick the timeline that matches the expansion you want to play through. Once done, review the UI summary, which quests, dungeons, and zones will scale and any level requirements. Make sure you understand how XP gains and item level scaling will behave in that timeline. This affects progression speed and gear power. After you confirm the selection, the game applies the scaling immediately. If you change your mind, you can switch later, but understand cooldowns or restrictions may apply depending on server rules. To finish, test the timeline by picking a nearby quest or entering a dungeon and observing enemy levels and XP rewards. If everything matches your expectation, continue your leveling or questing plan. If the timeline didn't apply, make sure you confirmed in the Chromie UI, then reload the UI or restart the game. If problems persist, disable other add-ons to rule out conflicts and ensure the server or role-playing rules aren't overriding Chromie Time. That troubleshooting step solves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.